How is the true person my son and daughter? When you love a person, you can feel his or her heart and spirit, because you both open in your heart's emotions, feelings and spiritually freely. This happens especially because both partners open at the heart level deeply. This means that every person, even the most fallen, satanic and evil person, still has in him or her an intuitive, spiritual capacity and level of heart and communication. Today people express this to each other through many beautiful words, but in the spiritual world, in my realm, speaking in words has a totally different meaning. The word love for fallen humanity has to do more with the physical senses. It's made up of sensual emotions that are then expressed through the physical body. But this is a low level. Even animals express emotions and instincts through the body, but you are above all spiritual, divine beings, and for those at the heart level who have spiritual maturity, expressing love has a totally different meaning. The true meaning of love can be understood in relationship with me, in a spiritual context where you reach your true meaning as children of God, and beings living in a three-dimensional world, thus not only a physical world, an eternal life, thus also a spiritual dimension. Your deepest self of true human being, and being my son and daughter child who develops a primarily spiritual state of maturity, which comes from a substantial relationship with me. When you meet such a deeply spiritual person, who therefore has built a natural relationship between himself and me, you feel that person is different. Because what he communicates to you is not made up only of words or physical things. Even if he does not say a word, his eyes are different, deep, clear, shadowless. He also exudes a sense of spiritual depth of heart and spiritual love above all. This is what I intend her to be, a true person, a true being, my true son and daughter. His sense of integrity, morality, spirituality, the substance that accompanies how he expresses himself and how his speech is not superficial, but deep, sensitive. That kind of person and substantial, he communicates something to you, he moves, he impresses, one feels free, at peace with him, more than communicating in words. You feel accepted, understood, respected spiritually. And all that a person does not have from birth, all that you develop and build it with a true relationship with me. In opening your heart to me first, sharing emotions, feelings, desires, the dreams you have. I am also that person of spiritual, true depth who wants you to feel understood, welcomed, respected, so you can learn the purpose of your life from me. And you will meet me at higher and higher levels spiritually.